The release of SIPROTEC Tools version 2.0 has made the SIPROTEC 5 signal test quicker and more straightforward. The updated SIPROTEC Tools now offers additional application support during commissioning. This includes the ability to test SIPROTEC 5 signals to the control center, between IEDs, and for CFC logic applications. This new feature is applicable for all configured SIPROTEC 5 devices. The field crew can now simulate the signals and measurements transmitted from the field device to the substation automation system via the configured communication protocols without using DIG-C5. This enables testing and validation of the system behavior between the IED, RTU, or HMI. Experience the customer benefits of SIPROTEC Tools, including signal testing without the need for software installation or license costs. Easy signal testing without requiring SIPROTEC 5 knowledge. Compatibility with all existing SIPROTEC 5 devices and versions. Last but not least, significant time and cost savings for the customers. When starting SIPROTEC Tools, multiple functionalities are available on the landing page. Click on the title named Signal Test. Connect your computer to the device network or via USB if you are located in front of the device. Select the connection type, enter the device IP address for the Ethernet connection and click on Connect. Once the connection is successful, the icon changes to the green color and you can click on the To Proceed button. The device name of the connected IP address is displayed in the orange bar. Further device information such as the serial number and the product code is displayed on the left side where you can change the device mode to commissioning. In commissioning mode, please make sure the device is currently not used for protection. All signals are still transmitted with quality test. This applies also for digital substations with IEC 61850 Goose and SMV communication between IEDs. Please confirm the disclaimer. The signal information are retrieved from the device. This may take few seconds. With this functionality, you have the ability to simulate a wide range of signals, including pickup and trip signals of various protection functions. By navigating through the structure, you can easily select the desired functionality, such as the overcurrent stage 1. As a result, all signals associated with that function will be displayed along with their current values. You can simulate the signal using the suggested value, such as phase A of the pickup, or choose another value via drop-down. To simulate the signal with the specified value, simply click on Set Value. You can now validate the transmission of the signal in your substation automation system. If you are using IEC 61850, you can quickly check the value and quality of the signal sent in commissioning mode. Value for pickup phase A is set to true and the quality equal to test. You can simulate various measurements such as currents, voltages, and transducer inputs. Navigate to the required measurement, for example here analog units, select the first input, here transducer input 1, enter the value you want to simulate and then click on Set Value. In your web UI, the measurement value is also received. You can also simulate the controls with feedback. The actual position of the disconnector 1 is retrieved, that disconnector is closed here. You can select the simulated value, here to open the disconnector, and click to set the value. Validate in your device display the position of the disconnector. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to scan the QR code and subscribe to our channels. Wish you have fun with the new functionality in SIPROTEC Tools.